What's the meaning of accident? Accident. 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 An accident is an unfortunate event that happens unexpectedly and unintentionally, often resulting in damage or injury. Accidents can occur in many different settings, including homes, workplaces, and on the road. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including carelessness, negligence, and bad luck. The results of accidents can vary greatly. In some cases, accidents can be fatal. In other cases, they can cause serious injuries, such as broken bones, head injuries, and spinal cord injuries. Even minor accidents can result in property damage, medical bills, and lost wages. Accidents can have a significant impact on the lives of those involved. They can cause physical pain and suffering, financial hardship, and emotional distress. In some cases, accidents can even lead to death. There are a number of things that can be done to prevent accidents. These include following safety rules, using personal protective equipment, and being aware of your surroundings. It is also important to be prepared for the unexpected. By taking these steps, you can help to reduce your risk of being involved in an accident. Here are some examples of the results of accidents: death, serious injuries, such as broken bones, head injuries, and spinal cord injuries, property damage, medical bills, lost wages, emotional distress. If you have been involved in an accident, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. You should also contact your insurance company to file a claim.